Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here to talk about an I-cord. And what an I-cord is used for is maybe a long tie that you would tie a bonnet onto a baby's hat or something like that. It just makes a nice cord. And let me show you how we do this. So you can either do a slip knot, or you can just lay that over the top of your yarn and just twist. I like not doing these knots if I don't have to. So I've cast on 3 stitches using the long tail cast on. And then from here on out is where I would take my working yarn and put my work over onto that needle. And you'll see now my working yarn is draped across the back of my I-cord. And this is a 3-stitch I-cord. And let me do a few rows so you can see what it's like. And you do not turn your work. You just keep flipping that needle through. That's why you can either use double points to work this, or you can use a circular needle with a short cord. Either one works great. And I prefer the 3-stitch I-cord. It makes a very nice I-cord, and without being super thick. But you can use as many stitches as you want to, depending on how thick you want your I-cord to be. And you can see this on, like I said, on a lot of hats to tie it underneath your chin, or just as decorative, or kind of a belt. All different kinds of things we use the I-cord for. And you just keep flipping the needle through, and your working yarn goes right across the back, and you're just knitting. So I knit those 3 stitches, and then I take my needle and pull it through. So I'm not flipping my work. I'm just carrying that working yarn right across the back. And when you work this I-cord and you get done with it, where it's been carried across the back, you cannot even see it. Let me do one more row, and then I'll show you what our I-cord looks like. Okay? And if you look at the I-cord all the way around, that's what I-cord looks like, and it's super simple and easy to do.